Hello guys, good evening, God bless you. This is Dr. Tam K and this is Duoco Maths Lab. Okay, obviously please have it in mind that there's a network issues here, alright, with me. So I have to manage through to get what we need to get, alright? Okay, so please be patient with me while the video will be loading to you. Is that okay? Now we have the question that says the AP is 28, 22, X, Y, and 4. That we should find X and Y. All right, we have to find X and Y. That's what they're saying, okay, in this question. So what do we do to find X and Y? Have it in mind that to get common difference, that would be equal to what? Second term minus first term. And that, of course, is equal to third term minus the second term. And that equals to the fourth term minus the third term, and so on and so forth. Is that clear? So this is how to get your common difference. Okay, so we can use this formula to be able to solve this question that we have here with us. Is that okay? So what I'm going to do is this. Obviously, the common difference should be equals to 22, which is the second term, minus 28, which is what the first term. Is that clear? So 22 minus 28 is going to give us what? Minus 6. Is that clear to you? So your common difference is minus 6. Now, obviously, like we said, common difference can also be equals to what? Third term minus what? Second term. Now, what is your third term? In the sequence, the third term was X. Is that clear? So we're going to say minus 6 now. We're going to have minus 6 equals to X, which is the third term, minus second term, which is what? 22. Is that clear? The second term is 22. So we have minus 6, minus 22 go to cross to become to us plus 22 equals to what? X on this end. If you reverse it, your X will be equals to, now if you subtract 22 minus 6, that's going to give us what? That's going to be 16, right? 16 plus 6. Is that clear? You have your, let me show you something. Hold on, let me my body is not that wide, okay? So I'm trying to be careful. Look at what they do. What is 16 plus 6? 6 plus 6 is what? 12. Carry 1, right? So you have what? Going to get 2. You're going to get 2, 22. So obviously, your 22, your minus 6 plus 22 going to give us what? Positive 16. Exactly. That's going to give us positive 16. That's going to be for X. Exactly. Then what about Y? Remember, your Y is the fourth term. So let's go find the fourth term. Now your Y will be, okay, sorry, let me write the formula again. The common difference is equal to what? Fourth term minus third term. Exactly. Common difference is minus 6, which you know, equals to fourth term. The fourth term now is what we'll have as Y now in this case. Now the third term here is 16, which is our X before. Exactly. We have gotten our X as 16. That's the third term. Exactly. So what is our Y? We have minus 6 plus 16 now equals to Y on this end. Exactly. Reverse. Your Y will be equals to, now obviously again, minus 16 plus 16 going to give us a positive 10. Exactly. So your Y will be equals to what? 10. Is that okay? Therefore, X is 16, Y is what? 10. Is it clear to us? These are to solve this kind of question. So please, if you are not clear with this, all right, feel free to replay the video until you get the full understanding about this, all right? Let's go to the second question. All right, guys, we have a question here that says under arithmetic progression that we have 9, 13, 17, 21 that forms an arithmetic progression. Exactly. It's an arithmetic progression. So the question is to find the nth term. We have to find the nth term, right? All right, now your A is actually 9, obviously, right? Your A is 9, and then your common difference will be equal to, remember, is second term minus what? First term, and that is obviously 13 minus what? 9. Okay, 13 minus 9 going to be equals to what? 4, right? Because your 9 plus 4 is 13. That means that this is going to be a common difference of 4, 4, 4, because 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 4 is 17. 17 plus 4 is 21, and so on. Exactly. So we have to find the nth term. Exactly. Now, the nth term of an AP is A plus bracket n minus 1 common difference D. Remember that? This is the nth term of an AP. Nth term of an AP. Obviously, your A is, what was our A? Okay, the A was 9, right? First term give us 9. Common difference is 4, isn't it? Alright, so if you have your first term as 9, common difference as 4, we should find the nth term. Alright, the nth term will be equals to, let me write it very well. Okay, the nth term, okay, the nth term will be equals to A, which is 9, okay, plus the n is unknown, so we're going to say n minus 1. Common difference is what? 4, so we're going to write what? 4 here. Is that clear to you? Make sure you have your pen and paper with you. So that will be equals to 9 plus n minus 1. We're going to put this bracket to this, okay? That would give us 4n minus 4. 4n minus 4. Now 9 minus 4 going to give us 5. So this is going to give us 5 plus what? 4n. And this will be the nth term of that particular arithmetic progression as it is. Is that clear? So we're going to get 9 minus 4, 5 plus what? 4n. Is it clear to you? If it's clear, give me us a thumb up. If it's not clear, please make sure you repeat this question or drop your comment in the comment box, alright? And let's see what we can do to help you. God bless you. Alright, so guys, this is going to be the last question for tonight. We have the first term as 5, the second term as 9, and the last term as 101. The question is we should find the number of terms that make up this sequence or this progression as it is, right? We should find the number of terms that are involved, the total number of terms that are actually here. We should find that. Exactly. So how do we do that? Obviously, your A, which is the first term, is 5. Then, of course, your common difference is going to be second term minus the first term, and that is 9 minus 5, and that's going to give us 4. And obviously your last term is 101 as it's given to us here, right? Your last term is 101, so we have to find what n. Exactly. So how do we do that? Okay, make sure you take note of these values are here, right? So obviously we're going to have nth term of an AP. Remember, is a plus bracket n minus 1 common difference d. Remember that? Okay, so that is it. Obviously we're going to have n term, which is on the last term. Now obviously let's become the last term, which is 101, equals to first term, which is 5, plus n unknown minus 1. Common difference was what? So we have 101 equals to first term, which is 5. Was it 5, right? We have n minus 1, and the common difference was 9 minus 5 give us 4. Remember that? Okay. So on that note, we're going to have a 101 now equals to n minus 1. Open this bracket, okay? That gives us 5 plus 4n minus 4. Remember that? Opening this bracket, that's going to get. So we have 101 equals to 5 minus 4 is 1. So that gives us 1 plus 4n. Are you following? So what's the n? Your 4n is equals to 101 minus 1. All right? 101 minus 1. Your 4n will be equals to 100. Is it? All right. So what's your n? Your n, now your 4n equals to 100. Your n will be equals to 100 divided by what? 4. Okay. So if you simplify that, all right, I hope you understand that, right? Okay. So your n will be equals to 2 into 100 is 50. 2 into 50 is what? 20 what? 5. So your n will be equal to what? 25. So the number of terms that make up that sequence or that sequence as it is what? 25 of them actually form that. Okay. This was 5, 9, that's the 101, right? So there are 25 of them that are actually from this particular sequence. Is it clear to you? If it's clear to you, give us a thumb up. If it's not clear to, please make sure you repeat the video, replay the video until you get full understanding about this. Okay, remember this Duoco Maths Lab. We need you to quickly join us and start making things for yourself. We are actually preparing students for WAEC, JAMB, SSC, all SSC exams, TOEFL, SAT, and the rest of them. All right, so you can always join our paid class and learn, because we are dropping some wonderful tools for you guys to make your maths to come alive. Your physics, chemistry, and further is also included. Exactly. So call on us, we can be of help to you. God bless you. This is Duoco Maths Lab. Give us a thumb up, make sure you follow us, okay, and share this video with others. All right. God bless you. See you some other time. Have a wonderful night over there. Bye for now.